Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to withdraw money from Stripe to a bank account. To do this, what we are going to do is go to our Stripe account. Once here, we are going to the balances section. Once in balances, we will need to go to the manage payouts area. And then we will click on the manage bank account section. Let's click there, and once here we will have this area that asks us to add a bank account. We will click on it, and here we'll have to choose the currency, which in this case will be, for example, US dollars. We will have to enter all the information for our bank account. In this case, it will be the account holder's name. After that, we will also have to enter the routing number, the account number, and confirm the account number. Then we will click on add bank account, and with that we'll have linked our Stripe account to a bank account, allowing us to make withdrawals quite easily.